Tony Buti, the Western Australian Minister for Citizenship and Multicultural Interests. Welcome to the latest episode of my multicultural cooking series. West Australia is blessed with a diverse cultural, linguistically and faith communities, and today we are looking at the Iranian Persian culture and cuisine. And I'm very lucky to have with me today Morteza and Katrin. Welcome.
Welcome to our home, and it's our lucky day to have you here.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming to our house here.
So what are we actually cooking today?
We are cooking in my language called Zereshk Polo Ba Morgh, which is in English called chicken stew with rice. The main thing is chicken, tomato paste, onion, barberry, lemon juice, saffron. Saffron actually is the main one for the Persian flavor.
Sounds really healthy and tasty.
Tasty. It is
Okay, so
tasty.
I reckon we should get going with that now, okay?
Yes, thank you. Okay.
Now, we've got all the ingredients, so do you want to show us how you actually go about doing this dish?
For any stew, I prefer to use more onion because it makes it more delicious. And so I'm going to cut two onions.
Hope you don't get teary when I cut onions. I cry.
I heard if you're not breathing, you would
Not
be
breathing.
fine.
Oh my gosh.
You would be fine.
So these are just normal potatoes. They're not sweet potatoes.
No. If you have a sweet taste, I love sweet potato.
Yeah.
We have salt.
Salt.
This should be hot, okay?
Okay.
Very hot. Now,
What are we going
the
to do?
main thing is this one.
The rice.
No water, okay?
Got the potatoes on the bottom and the rice on the top. Okay. Great.
Yes. And
Beautiful.
thank you. And the other part of this cooking is, which is quite Persian.
Yeah.
We do this.
Ah, with the handle.
Yeah.
So what's that supposed to do? Give it a bit of air or something?
Yeah, the
Right.
steam coming out. Yeah.
So that's very Persian, is it?
Very Persian, I think. And now I'm gonna leave it for like a 30 minutes
Okay.
and 5 minutes to be very high.
Okay, Morteza, how many Iranians roughly are there in WA?
There should be around 10,000 people Iranian in WA at this time.
And when did you arrive in WA?
We came to WA to Australia
Yeah.
and directly to WA to Perth in 2002.
2002?
It's 21 years
Wow.
now.
Right.
We used to live in Dubai for a few years, before that in London, and anyway, then I got a skilled migration and came to
Right.
Australia and started living in a beautiful Perth.
I'm from Mashhad. I was born in Kashmir, but raised in Mashhad, which is very close to Russia.
And Morteza?
The same city. We used to live in Mashhad for a long time, and I born in Kashmir. Kashmir is a small city close to Mashhad.
Yes.
Mashhad is the capital city of Khorasan province, northeastern province, which has the north. From the north, it's has boundary with Russia, and from the east with Afghanistan.
Okay. And is there a great variation throughout the country? The culture, does it
Yes.
change a bit?
Very much.
Yes, of course. There are at least 10, 12 major tribes which are living with different culture. For example, we have Turks in the west, we have Baluch in the southeast, we have Kurds, we have Turks, we have Lor, and we have Arab people in Iran. And also we have Turkmen, which is from the language, it's very close to Turks, but it's different language.
So this dish, Zereshk Polo, what is its importance in the Iranian Persian culture?
Yeah, actually, Persian rice is one of the main dishes in Iran, and they use rice with most of the meals.
Yeah.
Even with the barbecue, stew, or chicken, fish, it's whatever.
So how often would you cook this?
This same dish maybe once a week at least. Yeah.
Okay. And is it, do you do it on a particular day or any time of the week?
When my children say, "Mom, I'm coming over."
But anyway, Zereshk Polo is kind of has a long history, and in many festive occasions, for example, wedding or whatever, also people used to serve the
so
Zereshk Polo Ba Morgh.
so it's an instrumental part of the Persian cuisine in Iran.
Yes,
Yeah,
it is. One of the
it's,
main
the
dishes.
history comes back to 559 BC.
Well, beautiful. Well, let's get on with what we're going to do. Now we've got the chicken here, the oil.
Olive oil. I usually use olive oil for my cooking. So
What have you marinated it in?
this is actually marinated with lots of saffron, turmeric, and tomato paste and onion.
Okay, all right, let's go for it. Nice big pieces of chicken.
Bismillah. Add some salt now.
So this is a saffron, is it?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. This is already put it in the hot water, and I was waited for like 5-10 minutes. And this is already marinated, but I like to add more saffron.
Fair enough.
Look at the color, right?
Lovely.
And the smell.
Yeah. Like rich red. Yeah.
It's nice.
All looking good. Onions look pretty brown now, so we're going to put the chicken back in, are we?
Yes, look at this, Minister.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, look.
Yeah, lovely.
Very nice. I add the tomato paste to just fry it a bit with the oil, so it gives you better color.
It's very colourful, isn't it? Yeah.
Very
And now the
colourful.
chicken, huh? All right. So how long will this chicken take to cook? To the how you want it?
I think 1 hour would
1
be
hour?
fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
I would like to add lemon juice. Yeah.
Yeah.
It gives you a bit sour.
Sour?
Dish. And this is dry plum. You could find it in northwest of Iran.
Can you eat them on their own?
Yeah.
Alright.
Would you like to?
Yeah, why not?
We love sour.
They're
dish.
plums, are they?
Dry plum. Yeah. Dry plum.
No.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna add boiling water.
So you boiled that water, have you, already?
Yes. I'm gonna wait to be boiling, and then after like 5 minutes, I'm gonna slow the.
Okay, Katrin, what are we doing here?
So this is the other main thing that I was talking about, the barberry. That garnish the rice. I'm gonna add any sugar that I have, brown sugar, because it's quite sour.
And you did that, what, for about 2 minutes?
Yeah, otherwise it burns very quickly. Rice, that's for garnishing, okay?
Very fluffy.
I'm gonna add the saffron now.
You like your saffron?
That's the main thing here.
I always wonder when you got the rice that colour, why it's that colour now, I know.
And the smell is beautiful.
So this is almonds, you're saying?
Yes, almond.
Right, and the green ones, what are those?
Seshu. Iran has lots of seshu.
Wow, this is amazing, Katrin. You have just done an amazing job. So, how much colour? We've got incredible colour here. So look, so we've got the chicken, the rice. What else have we got?
Also, I made kashko badem jun, which is eggplant with walnuts. I garnish it with fried garlic, mint sauce, and some walnuts. Okay,
lovely. So this is the starter.
Starter, yeah.
Okay, now we have the rice and chicken that we've got to try. That's the main thing that we've been here for. So, Katrin, would you like to serve up a bit of chicken and rice for me, please?
My pleasure. So I'm gonna put some saffron rice for you.
Beautiful.
Take the best one for you.
Okay, oh, beautiful. Katrin, this looks amazing. Now the test. Let's have a go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Of the chicken and rice. Very tender. I feel like it's got a barbecue taste to it.
Because it's fried more.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
From the right now. Oh, thank you
No worries.
very much for having us over in your home.
No worries. No worries.
This has been absolutely a joy to be cooking with you. The food is absolutely beautiful. Folks, hope you've enjoyed this show. Remember, you can go to the Amy website to see the whole series in the Multicultural Cooking Show. And what did we say in Persian for how beautiful this food is?
خیلی خوشمزه شده.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.